Hi, my name is Esther, and my two most important elements of my rule are being attentive to the Spirit and being hospitable to my being. I love baking, and I learned to notice the movements of the Spirit during the process of crafting my rule through bread baking. The most important thing in bread baking is the leaven. It is a living, breathing organism that breathes life into the dough. It's very much like the Spirit. God breathes life into a clay, and the clay turns into a living human. Leaven activates metabolism in the dough, enabling it to rise. It becomes alive. We first mix the leaven into the dough and stir it into one shaky mess. When I'm crafting the rule, beginning with creating permissions and self-reflections, the Spirit gently stirs my interiority, unearthing my buried woundedness. My whole self literally turns into one shaky mess. For the dough to grow, it needs favorable environment just like my being. I need to be hospitable to my being, catering to its needs with the help of the Spirit. Timing is also an important factor in growing the dough. Like my being, there is no hard and fast rule of when it's ready to heal or when I just need to retreat. I need to be attentive to my being and the Spirit's guidance. I cannot rush and move ahead of God's grace, but I also cannot fall behind God's grace. Shaping dough takes a balance between gentle yet firm handling. In shaping my being into the image of God, my rule cannot be too harsh or my spirit will quickly deflate. I cannot be too loose either, or I won't reach my full potential. How can I know the balance? Again, by being attentive to my being and the Spirit's movement. Finally, it's time to reap the fruit of our labor. Things might not always go the way I want it to be, but I just need to persevere. I need to begin again and again and again. Thank you.